So today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Yo-Yo Factory Switchblade. Just came out at Nationals. I competed, did pretty bad. But this is only my second bimetal ever, so before we jump into this review, here are the specifications of the yo-yo, the specs. So the Switchblade is an inner ring bimetal yo-yo. Here, let me get the string. Well, it's an inner ring bimetal yo-yo, and it has a really cool shape and feel. Like, here's the rings, they're in the inside. So let's get into it. So this yo-yo already, it feels pretty nice in the hand. It looks pretty good, honestly. Really like the color when it spins. And I may have vibed it on the way, dinged it on the way here, so it vibes a bit, but you know. That was entirely my fault. So here we go. I mean, it's pretty nice. The string helps a lot. Let's see. It's pretty good at staying horizontal. I mean, it's a really nice yo-yo overall. I can't remember who the signature player is, whose it is, but that's a nice yo-yo. So I mean, first off, this yo-yo is really good at basically everything you throw at it. Whether it be slacks, which I can't do with the wind right now, and it's also really good at staying on a horizontal plane. Like, look at that. Darn it. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it if you're just getting into finger spins, but if you're if you're already good at them, it's a pretty good yo-yo. I mean, it's like, it's really nice. Also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's because it just rained and so it's all humid outside. I mean, this yo-yo feels agile and like quick. Now, before you guys ask, I'm gonna answer two most important questions. Can I go Godspeed with the Switchblade? Let's just say I don't have a very good speed combo either way, but you know. And now the second most important question, can I do the DNA with the Switchblade? Clearly I can, even though those are really close ones. But whatever, I can do the DNA.